In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can convert your website to utilize our new Flex Pro theme, which includes some really cool new tools and gives you enhanced customization over different components of your website, including an updated header and footer designer. You can also create and configure new widget areas and widget area configurations on your homepage. You can create custom page layouts for your category pages, as well as static pages on your website. And finally, the new Flex Pro theme comes with a design drafts feature, which allows you to do and test design work within the back end of your website without it interfering with the front end of your website that visitors might be visiting in the meantime. So in order to take advantage of those new features, you do need to formally convert your website to Flex Pro, and it's really a two-step process. The first step that I recommend is taking a design backup of your website. And basically what a design backup is it's going to save a current version of your website in case you don't like some of the design changes you make later on. So if you take a design backup, later on you can revert back to your prior website's appearance and layout, and it's going to save you a lot of time. So before we formally convert to Flex Pro, I'm going to take a design backup. I'm going to do so by going to the back end of my website. I'm going to hover over Appearance on the left navigation menu here, and I'm going to click Design Backups. That takes me to this backup control panel. So all you need to do here is click Create New Design Backup. You can see that a new backup is immediately taken and stored right up at the top of the list here. And I always like to just give them a title just for reference in the future. So you can do that by clicking on this little tag icon, giving it a name that makes sense to you, and then just hitting enter to save it going forward. So now, like I said, in the future, if you ever decide that you want to restore the old design layout of your website, all you need to do is come back to this page, click Full Restore, and that will restore the current layout of your website later on. All right, so now we've got our backup. That's basically like a safety precaution in case we convert to Flex Pro and we decide maybe we don't like it. So now it's time to actually convert to Flex Pro. So to do that, again, it's really simple. You're going to go to the Design Options page on your website, which you can access by hovering over Snow Dashboard, Design Options. And when you come to this page, you'll notice there's going to be a new tab. It is the fifth one down, titled the Site Designer. So that's the one you want to click on. If you have not converted your website to Flex Pro yet, this is what you're going to see. So basically you're going to see this screen that asks you to import your existing settings into the Flex Pro editor, but it is going to essentially update them. So you want to click on this, and you'll see that that import begins. You can track the progress of right here. And then once it's finished, the page is going to reload. And you'll see now, basically the entire prior format of my website has been pulled into this new site designer where you can get really specific in customizing or creating new areas. And there are basically three spaces to pay attention to on this tab. We have the header designer up at the top. You have your homepage widget area designer in the middle, and you have your footer designer at the bottom. We do have additional help site articles and videos on each of those components, so I'm not going to cover them here. But going forward, once you're converted to Flex Pro, you will probably be coming to this Site Designer tab quite a bit because this is where those new components and customization tools will always be stored. The last thing I'm going to do just to save that Flex Pro conversion is click Save in the top right corner. And now if we return to my home page, it should look pretty similar. So you can see it looks almost identical to what it was before. So immediately when you convert to Flex Pro, it's not going to change the appearance of your website significantly. It's going to try to replicate what you had before, but now your functionality in terms of site design is significantly enhanced. So we would encourage everyone to convert to Flex Pro just because the tools are so much more robust, and that is how you can do so. Thanks for watching.